Hello and welcome to my channel. And as most of you know that I was in Delhi for about 10-12 days because I attended Amrit Kaur's makeup masterclass. So this video is a little glimpse of how those 7 days went. Like a little baby, I was very excited. मैं एक दिन पहले ही आपका outfit decide कर लिया सीगा because I didn't want to be late the next day. I started with a bowl of fruits and had a salami sandwich because I wasn't sure about the food situation there. I chose to wear this easy linen dress with black flats, and I was double minded about this clip, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਲਿੱਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ. Travel time वैसे 22 minutes है मेरे घर तो destination ਦਾ, but because of the Delhi traffic, it took me 1.5 hours. And I was finally at the Rosette, which was our location for 7 days for this master class. And it was a beautiful property. When you enter, थोड़ा maze like लगता है, and it is easy for anybody to get lost here. Once we're out of the reception area, this is what the resort looks like. And I mean, it's beautiful. Just looking like a wow. Literally. Inna peaceful te serene seega. It was like an added bonus to have the class here. I was quite tired because of the traffic, so I quickly had a cup of tea to energize myself. And this is a glimpse of the hall where we were served our meals. And the cool part about the masterclass was that Kylie was an official partner, and it was the first time Kylie was collaborating with somebody. This was a sneak peek into my lunch, and I thought I'd show you guys the first and the second look that we were taught on day one. We did not have any practice sessions that day. We only learned these two looks, and we got free on time, and we were all headed back home to come back more energized for the next day. On my way back, there wasn't much traffic, to be honest, but the bad thing was that I had to go all the way to Rajouri Garden, which took me another 1.5 hours because of the traffic hours. क्योंकि मैं अपनी makeup kit चंडीगढ़ भूल गई सी, and I didn't know that we required our own makeup kits for the class. So I had to go buy foundations and everything and build up my kit. And on my way back, because I got late, I thought taking a metro back was the safest option. And to be honest, my experience was quite good. It was really safe. एक बार भी uncomfortable नहीं लग गया, and this was like a map layout in the metro so that we knew which station was coming next and we could get off on our own station. Then I did not get an Uber. I had to take an auto. And this auto bhaiya was very cool. उन्होंने रास्ते ਵਿੱਚ auto रोकिया to get his liquor bottle क्योंकि ठेके बंद होਣ 5 ਮਿੰਟ ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਸੀ. And after a very tiring day, I was finally home. Very tired, yet excited to go back tomorrow. This was my outfit for the second day. I wanted to keep it very comfortable because I had my portfolio shoot, and this is what I chose. So class का ये concept see that we had a portfolio shoot on every alternate day and a practice session on the other days. This was my makeup vanity. So in total we had 3 portfolio shoots and we had 3 practice sessions. This was me walking Manwana, which ਜਿਹੜੇ gaps ਹੈਗੇ tiles which they would freak me out every time because I would feel like I'll drop my phone in it. I don't know why. This is the ballroom, and this was my breakfast the other day. The vada pav was yum, and then I had some water for hydration. This, everybody, was my favorite look from the master class. It was so beautiful, and ma'am made it seem so easy, like they weren't any fallouts, just the perfect amount of blending. I mean, wow. Lunch karan to baad, we were all given our stations where we had to do the makeup for our models for the portfolio shoot. मैं छेती आप the station set kita, and this was my model for that day. I did take a before video, however after video मेरे तो इतनी clearly लिखती नहीं गई क्योंकि एक तब you were not allowed. Secondly, it got quite late by the time she was dressed, so I did not take any more photos. I quickly took my evening snacks and I head back home. That day I was home on time. My drive was smooth, there was less traffic, and beautiful music was playing. ਜਦੋਂ ਘਰੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੀ, the funny part was we had ordered a pack of chips from Blinkit ਤੇ ਉਹ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਡਰਾਈਵਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਡਿਲੀਵਰ ਕਰ ਗਿਆ, and ਇੱਕ ਪੈਕੇਟ chips ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ 'ਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਿਸਟਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਗਏ to get that packet back. I mean, wow. This was day 3. I forgot to shoot my outfit for the day. This was my model. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ waxing ਕਰਕੇ she had some wounds. And this was the after. I mean, I found it really beautiful. I don't know. Please leave comments as to how did you guys like the look. This was the look ma'am taught us on day 3. Thodi Kylie inspired look see, because we were using Kylie cosmetics that day. And again, the breathtaking view on my way back home. This was day 4. My day 4 te kuch bhi zyada shoot nahi ki tha, because I was kind of tired and I wasn't so used to making videos हजे तक. मैंने ये थोड़े हेयर स्टाइल्स बहुत अच्छे लगे, so I captured them. And this was my model for the portfolio shoot that day. Her name was Tisha, and I loved my makeup that day. Day 5 होया, I had some friends from Chandigarh, so they took me to this place called Cafe Tesu, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਨੇੜੇ ਸੀਗਾ, and I loved the vibe of this place. मैं ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਗਈ ਹੋਈ ਹਾਂ, so I took them here. I had egg benedicts, and with a happy stomach I was back here. I had a quick cup of coffee, and ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਆਹ 3 coupons ਮਿਲਦੇ ਸੀ every day, which had lunch, evening snacks and breakfast on it, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਆਪਦੇ meals ਲੈਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ. This was the look for day 5, and again, I mean, needless to say, I mean, she's a magician, man. This was my lunchtime. I quickly tried taking a shot of whatever we ate that day, and I was back working on my practice model that day, क्योंकि मेरा practice shoot से, and it went well. I mean, unlike many others, all the models I got were extremely very sweet. So this was my second practice model. Now a lot of you must be wondering, why am I not in any of the videos? Because see, I'm not used to recording myself, and जो भी लोग मैंने पहला तो follow कर रहे हैं, they know that I don't like posting myself a lot. Maybe in a couple of months I get more comfortable with it, and you might, get to see me in the vlogs. However, for now I just like to shoot how my day goes by and put a voiceover, because I'm a bit shy in the public. Then after that, उधर मेरे को बहुत time से I got free early. I went to CP. I strolled around a bit. I really liked this place, and we drove around a bit. After that, we went to this beautiful place called Juggernaut. I've been here before. It is very famous for its South Indian food, and I really like the vibe of this place. It's just beautiful how they've done the interiors here. मैं एक कड़क चाय पी थी, and I was back home. Next day again, my day started with a cup of tea, and I'm surprised how much tea I drink. I mean, फिर मैं vanity set की थी, unboxing की थी. We'd gotten this palette from Moi Beauty. It was in our goodie bags, and I unboxed it क्योंकि class which time नहीं मिला. So next morning I was unboxing the palette to see whether I wanted to carry it with me or not. So we got this little card, and this is what the palette looked like. It is quite pigmented, to be honest, especially the shadows. I mean, you don't have to take a lot to get, I mean, one little sweep and you get so much on the eye. You don't have to go back and forth to get that intensity that you wish for. So I think it is a good buy. It retails for about 2600 rupees if I'm not wrong, and it does have quite a lot of shades, especially for somebody who doesn't like to collect a lot of makeup. I think this one product has it all. We got this blush on as well from Moira Beauty. I have not used it, so I will not be able to review it, whether it's a good investment or not. This was the shade I got it in. Dooja, see this mini palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've used the fuller palette, and I love it. Then I was back at Cafe Tesu because it's so close to my house and I love their breakfast. This is what the interior looked like. I think if you're going to Delhi, you should visit it if you have time. Then I saw this cute little bird snuck into one of the holes. ਤੇ ਰੋਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ballroom ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਠੰਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ me and my friends would every day come outside and eat in the heat. Defreezing ਵਾਂਗੂ feel ਆਉਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ. This was my practice model for day 3. I wasn't in the mood to do any makeups that day, but I just had to. Then I came home, watched some F1 race with my sister. We got fresh flowers too, by the way. And that was it. Finally, it was the last day. I was a bit sad कि खत्म हो रही थी classes, but I was very tired. The week was very hectic. This is what the hall looked like. We had individual makeup stations where we would all do our portfolio shoots or practice sessions with our models. Center with study seating hundi si. The best part about the management was that we had this chill detox water ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ Delhi ਦੀ heat beat ਕਰਨ 'ਚ help ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ. We had these screens, 4 screens, where they would zoom and show us the makeup that ma'am was teaching us. And also this cute, aesthetically pleasing shop was there, where we had different brands come in every day. And I thought I'll show you the queen herself. This was my final portfolio shoot. I did this bridal look on my model Sakshi. Due to some issues later, we had to change her look, and this was behind the scenes. And well, that's it. Thank you all.